This video is part of the work done for the Work Package 5 of the European Union FP7 Walter project, which aims at the implementation and validation of 3 testbeds for broadband radio technologies and in particular for ultra-wideband devices.
Walter partners come from different locations and cover different activity areas. INO as coordinator, 84 Wireless, GLC and TMC as test labs. WISER and CSR as device manufacturers, CTL as technical director, and ETSI as standardization body.
The Walter testbeds cover several test categories: regulatory, conformance, interoperability, coexistence, over-the-air, radiated performance tests, performance, and plugfests.
Some of the existing test methods were refined in Walter. To mention a few, methods for measuring at the far field of ultra-wideband devices or the automation of the Y-media test procedures.
During the Walter project lifetime, Y-media devices were certified at Plugfest-like events. Walter efforts are oriented to set up test labs capable of providing certification.
The current Y-media medium access control test procedures are fully manual, time-consuming, and prone to test operator mistakes. To overcome these issues, the Walter project has developed a set of software elements to control the whole test system.
These new software elements, together with ELYSIS instrumentation, allow for faster and more reliable Y-media MAC measurements.
This software consists of an abstraction layer enabling different components to be used: the generator, the analyzer, and the device under test. The solution also allows the test operator to define test campaigns and obtain test summaries.
The solution is based on an entity named Automation Tester, designed and developed by CSR, which controls the different hardware and software elements used in the MAC testing via an abstraction layer. It consists of several interface controllers allowing various components to be integrated independently. The Scenario Manager is an entity which facilitates the test configuration and processes the results.
The actual solution implemented provides a high-level graphical user interface for the test operator to define test campaigns. The user interface is based on the 84 Wireless Test Manager tool, used in several successful commercial test tools, for example Byte and Mint. This implementation of Test Manager provides a client socket which communicates with the automation tester to run the tests and obtain the logs and results. The setup used for this demonstration is composed of 2 PCs, one running the automation tester and the software required to control the device under test, and the other running the sniffer, the generator, the checker, and the test manager. For this demonstration, CSR devices have been used as device under test and interoperability device. In order to run a test campaign with Test Manager, some TCL scripts need to be executed in both PCs to open the required sockets to control the different elements. Once the sockets are open, the test operator can initiate the test campaign by using Test Manager. This part of the video is a demonstration of how Test Manager is used to configure and later execute a Y-media medium access controlled test campaign. A single installation of Test Manager allows the control of multiple test systems, each identified by a technology. For this demo, we'll select the ultra-wideband technology. For each technology, several versions can be installed. This time, we will select version 1.2a of the Y-media platform test specification. This is the Test Manager main window, which offers access to several configurable items, such as Protocol Implementation Conformance Statement, referred to as PICS, Protocol Implementation Extra Information for Testing, referred to as PICSIT, General Parameters, Sample Information, and Additional System Information. The first step is to fill in the PICS as declared by the manufacturer of the samples being tested. All Y-media MAC PICS have been included in Test Manager, detailing whether they are mandatory, conditional, or optional. It also offers a brief description of each PIX. PIX can be easily edited by inserting the appropriate values. The General Parameter Editor allows the configuration of several items, such as the platform under test, the test equipment info, channel, IP addresses, and ports for communication during the test process and system operation. The next step is to select the test cases to be run in the test campaign. This can be done through the Script menu. For instance, we'll add 3 test cases to the script. In order to run this script with 3 test cases, the Execute button must be pressed.